Hello, I'm Ohio Wildlife Officer Craig Barr. Today I'm going to show you how to make a nightcrawler harness for catching walleyes here in the state of Ohio. Okay, we start with about a 30-inch piece of fluorocarbon line. You run it through the eyelet of, I use a number 2 hook. Take the other end, it lays across the shank. Wrap it 4 or 5, maybe 6 times. Moisten it and pull it through. There's your first hook. And we take our second hook and place it on the shaft of the line on the shaft of the hook about 1 inch above the first one. Run the other end through the eyelet. Again, somewhere between 4 and 6 wraps. Pinch it with your finger. Moisten it. And pull it through. Now off to the beads. I use a 6mm bead. Whatever colors you like. That's the beauty of this is you can use whatever size a hook, number of hooks you like. Size of spinner, etc. All these components are available online. We're at various bait shops across the state. Okay, there's 6 beads. Now we'll move on to the blade. The clevis, a number 4 folded clevis, goes through the blade. And the line goes through both sides of the clevis. 1 more bead on the top. And then the last bead, we're going to tie it inside of the loop at the top. Like that. Reason we do that, now we can pinch the top of our loop and put it through an egg sinker. I use various sizes for your whatever your application is. Then you tie your line up here. So to take a look at the whole thing, there it is. I hope you have a good day, and I hope you have a good time catching fish in Ohio with a lure that you made.